Hey guys, it's Via here and today we're back with another video. So, today we're back in my little studio which I made in my last video, which you guys can go check out. Link is in the little icon in the corner. So, and as you can see, I've been working on a few things that are behind me. But anyways, so this video is going to be about how to make a university portfolio that is actually going to attract potential brands to actually give you an internship or give you a job. So I'm going to show you an example of what I did so that you can have an idea of what you can do for yourself. So this is an online website portfolio. This is not a page-to-page portfolio as in like kind of like a booklet thing. This is not how that is. This one is essentially your portfolio where you have all of your projects that you've done, or even just the ones that you think are the strongest. I personally put everything because when I did this I wasn't very sure initially what to do, and I decided to keep everything just in case some brands that I was applying for my internships were more specific to one thing and some were more specific to others. So when I put them up, I kind of wanted to show all the different skills that I had, all the different things that I worked on, because I did try to experiment with a lot of different things. So I just wanted to show that, and also shows that you're not scared to, you know, try out different things, things that work, things that don't, things that maybe they can actually see what kind of designer you are, what kind of creative person you are, how you see the world and everything. So this is a great chance to show your personality, to show who you are, and to give them a bit more idea of how you do your work and kind of show off your skills. So yeah, basically all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you guys to my website, explain how I did what I did, and essentially show you what I did. I think I'm repeating myself a little bit too much, but that's essentially what we're going to be doing for today. I'll take you step by step on the pages, and I will be explaining why I did certain things in a specific way and why I didn't, and what kind of feel I wanted to have on my website. I wanted it to be very professional, so I kept it all black, and then all the other images which are from my work would stand out against that background. I mean, it's up to you what you do. You can literally put any color, whatever fits the style that you're going for. So it's all up to you and your individual style. So before we get on with this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We are already on about 1,200,
I think, or 300. I think. I'm not sure, I don't remember. But at the time this video is being made, so I have to double check that. I think it's 1,300.
But anyways, please join the community. I am making these videos to help you guys out. And if you have any questions, as always, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. And if there's anything you want me to help you with, please make sure you leave it down below. I'll make sure to answer any questions you guys may have. Anything that you want me to help you, I will do it. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get on with this video, and yeah, let's get moving. So guys, here we are on my website. I actually used Squarespace to make this website, and no, I am not sponsored by Squarespace. So starting off, this is where I have my main projects. This is also the page where you can see like not just the main projects, you also have all the side projects and all the links to the other pages. I use a very simple background of a picture that I took of one of my projects. That's very simple, has some pins, kind of gives you that aesthetic of like this, something handmade, something that is thought about with the straight lines and so on. So and it also relates to the projects themselves. So this is my three main projects. This is my uni projects. The middle one is the first one, then I had the second one, the lifeguards, and then the third one, the incognito. So the first two are actually from year one, and the second one is from second year, but it didn't get completed because of COVID. The plastic awareness is my main personal project from A-levels, which I am still very proud of because it took me a lot of work. And then I have my illustrations, a second project that I did on the side, and another project which I also had from A-levels. This is my lines and illusions. This is my first uni project. So as you guys can see, when you scroll down, I have some videos. So this is actually a tape. It doesn't show very well on this video for some reason, I'm not quite sure, but I recorded it with a special app. I might put the link in the description for you guys. And it kind of makes videos look vintage, which I really like the look of. So next thing is, if we go back to the main thing, we have the incognito. So that's the last project I have. For every project, I have a little description of what the project is about and what I was attempting to do, what was the intention of the project, and what I was thinking about. And then I have some of the pages from my portfolio that I made for university, some of the mood boards, some of the concepts, the thoughts I had behind them. So this one, for example, I was really thinking about women and the power they have over their body and not letting other people push you around into wearing what you want. So you wear what you're comfortable with, and every garment that I was trying to make was something that would change, so you could actually make it from something that's a bit less covered to something a bit more covered, and just move things around as you pleased. So it's kind of like 2-in-1 garments that can be changed around. And this is basically all monotone. I wanted to keep it very simple as this was going to be a autumn-winter collection. And the final pieces were actually the samples, because this was during COVID, so I didn't have access to any of the fabric or the machines to do this properly. So it was all done like not last minute, but like all done at home with barely any calico left, and most of this was all experimenting at home without being able to do much. So that is just some pictures of the project. And then you have lines and illusions. That's the picture at the back. I really like when you have something that looks a bit mysterious for some reason, so that's kind of what I went for here. This project is very simple. It was about lines and about merging maths with fashion and how you can do that in a creative way. And I used graphs and manipulation of graphs to create the lines that would inform the design. And then I have some images of the final project and the final product, which was not that good as it was the first one. So my images are a bit creative, as you might see on the screen. So I didn't actually take proper pictures because I couldn't fit in this dress. So next thing is the Spanish life card. Now this is the last project from the first year. Again, I have my little description. I have the picture at the back that kind of gives you the feel for the project. And then I have my concept board, my mood board, where I got my inspiration for my silhouettes, where I got my inspiration for my color, and where I got my ideas from and my thoughts, and basically all the experiments I did with the special machines, my development on the stand, my drawings, and my technical drawings. So these also have some details on how to stitch things together, where they should be, how long they should be, and what kind of stitches they should have. This is all things part of the tech pack, which I just decided to put in to show my abilities and what I can do. Then I have a little part about me, about who I am, about what I do. And then also for some reason my internet is very slow, so this is not working out very well today. But then I have the contact, where I have some of my details and how they can contact me, and then the links to my social media where they can see my projects. So if we keep on going, then we go back to the blogs, which is the beginning of the thing, and then we have each project. So one is the plastic awareness. This is the project that I did in A-levels. There's a lot of explanation, but I do have some problems today with the scrolling. I really don't know why the thing recorded it so slow. I really apologize. It's meant to be looking very smooth, but for some reason this is what I came up with. I have my pictures in large, in detail, and it really shows what I've done. And for example, what I have on screen is something quite dramatic, and it was quite experimental. Then I have another experiment with some embroidery, showing again that I'm not scared of taking risks, of trying new things, of learning new skills. So the other one was machine embroidery, and then on this one we had I set myself like this kind of, not a goal, but just like a little project with gold and blue, so denim and gold embroideries. So what I did was I went and I started experimenting with embroideries and birds and all kinds of things that could go on it. Then we have the female empowerment project, where I have all these different pictures of my friend who was modeling the dress that I made. It was kind of trying to show, like, raise her like her posture, and then hence changing the way she feels and making her more confident. This is a golden project that I did from A levels. This is an exam, again showing my textiles manipulation techniques and embroidery skills. And then just a side note, if those people who are looking at your portfolio are going to see it on the phone, this does have the option for you to see how it will look in a portrait view and how someone can navigate, and if you're happy about it. So that's also a very good part of it. So that's basically my website. That is what I submitted. Although I did end up choosing to opt out of internships and to work on my own business instead. But I did get some offers to go for different brands, and they did offer for me to do the internships there. So it was successful in some ways. Obviously, I did make full use of my website because I changed my mind about what I wanted to follow and what I wanted to do that would be most beneficial to me personally. So that is pretty much it for the website. As you saw, there's different pages trying to, you know, explain who I am, showing what I'm about and what kind of things I'm interested in. So that is pretty much it on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, don't forget to like this video. Just tap that like button, you know, just give it a little gentle tap, you know. It would help us a lot. And yeah, make sure you comment down below. As always, if you have questions, leave them below. I'll make sure you answer them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!